All right, now we're going to show you how to make a super Shakeology shake. First, you're going to need Shakeology, which we have right here. These are the ingredients if you want to screenshot it. All natural and organic. Bam. 1 avocado, banana, maybe 2, dark sweet cherries, organic blueberries, and silk almond milk. Bam, done. Let's put this together. We're going to use Vitamix, bam, the best in the market. First thing we're going to do is throw some avocado in there. It's going to go right down, ba-ching. That one's frozen, by the way, because we like it cold. Then we've got some frozen bananas we're going to throw in there. Cha-ching. Should we put another one in? Yeah, let's do it. All right, those are in. Next, we're going to put some almond milk in. Got to shake it up, make it nice and shook up. Uh-oh, we got a problem here. We got to pull that off of there. Is it gonna? Do you have the fingernails? Pull it hard. You can do it. Oh, you got it. Oh. All right, we gotta bring in the big gun. Oh God, why did they make it so hard? And down it goes. We're going to liberally distribute that. You can see how much we put in. About 2.5 fingers. Now for the Shakeology. Now Shakeology is made by Beachbody's. And I do believe that's what it looks like. You get a little scooper in there. We're gonna put one, that's a full one like that. Is that all we put in? Just one, I guess. That's 160 calories, and it's all good calories. All good calories. No, it's only 30 calories. Bam, done. Nothing hardly at all. All right, so next we're gonna get some cherries. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Those look delicious. And I do believe last but not least, blueberries, cherries. All right, looking good. Now, we've got to put it on top, lock her in. I think we may need our plunger, maybe not. Plunger. Turn on the Vitamix down there. Bam, you see the light, ready to go. We put it on smoothie, and bam. Let's take a look at it, see what it looks like.
I think we actually need to put a little more almond milk.
More almond milk?
Because we put a big, frozen avocado in there, and the avocados make it really, really creamy.
All right, let's
So I put in a little more.
All right, what do you think? We're bringing it over here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. You're going to fill that whole thing up? Oh, my gosh. Oh, wait a minute. That looks delicious. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Now for the fill up. When I say fill up, I'm not talking about fill up. Oh, it's thick. Look at that. Mmm. I think that is going to be my glass.
We forget about this one.
All right, here we go. Let's take a taste. I might need a spoon.
Where's mine? That's all I got to say.
That is good. I'm going to give that 5 stars. I'll give it a little more too. Honey, how's your Shakeology?
Don't be fucking telling me.
How's your Shakeology? That's like a lot of Shakeology there.
Yeah, I had to add, I should have only done probably half of that avocado.
How much does this thing cost?
Avocados make.
Right,
Well,
let me start again. How much does this cost?
It costs about $140 a bag.
And how long does a bag last?
The bag does 30 to 35 servings.
Oh,
so
you
I
get
think it's averages about $5 a shake.
So we're talking about $150 a month for Shakeology if you have one a day.
That's a lot of money.
Let's take a look at the back here. 1 scoop, beverage of choice, shake it up. we'll just kind of look at this whole deal here, see what it says. And then you guys can decide. Here's all the stuff that's in it. There's where the ingredients come from. And down here is the, I don't know what the heck that is. But that's the people who make it beach body. Apparently, if you drink this, you'll have a body that you can take at the beach.
Hold in there.
Shakeology.